Today, we're diving into something that sounds simple, but honestly, it's the hardest thing to do, to let go. And the key is something you have with you all the time, every second, and it's your breath. Let me tell you a story about these two monks and a woman my master told me long time ago, and to this day I still remember his conversation. And it will help you understand how to let go. So picture this. Two monks are on a long journey on foot. They get to this river. The banks of the river are muddy and messy because it's been raining. And there's a woman, she's just standing there. She's clearly stuck and unable to cross the river. And the older monk saw this, and without even a word, he walks up to her, simply lifts her, carries her, and gently places her down on the other side. And after that, two of these monks just continue walking in total silence. But you can just feel the tension building. The younger monk keeps getting more and more agitated. He's worked up. And then he asks the older monk. He's been thinking about why the old monk picked up the lady. He's been playing that scene in his head. And finally, when he cannot take it anymore, after a long walk and stewing for 2 hours in it, he brings it up. He says, "Our vows, do you not remember them? We are not supposed to touch women being monks." And this is the whole thing. This is why he's been stewing in this misery. The elder monk looks at the younger monk, smiles with compassion, says, "I dropped that woman hours ago. Why are you still carrying her?" That question, that is what this video is all about. That line hits my ribcage every time I remember this story. Let's take this old story and plug it right inside your life. What's happening right now? We all carry things long after they're over. See, the woman in the story isn't really actually a person. It's a metaphor. She's that tense conversation you had with your boss yesterday. A worry. She's that story that we refuse to just set down. So today we'll do 3 breathing routines to let go, to prepare our body to let go. The first one would be the breath of fire, Kapalbhati Pranayama. The second one would be alternate nostril breathing. And the third one would be almost a guided breathwork meditation to finally let go of the things that don't serve you. So without any further ado, come into cross-legged position, keeping your spine straight. All right, we'll start with the breath of fire. Inhale fully, exhale fully. Inhale halfway, and exhale, exhale. Exhale fully. Hold the breath out 15 seconds. Pull the diaphragm up, belly in. Beautiful. Rejuvenating breath in, holding the breath in 30 seconds now. Exhale. Inhale normally. Sit in meditation 30 seconds. Beautiful job. Slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends, the second round we go into is alternate nostril breathing, Anulom Vilom Pranayama. Here, we balance our body. We balance the masculine and feminine aspect of who we are. Alternate nostril breathing would help us prepare our body in the third round to let go of whatever we are holding on to. So coming into Vishnu Mudra, start by inhaling into the left nostril, 6. Hold 3. Exhale 9, right. Inhale right, 6. Hold 3. Exhale left, 9. Inhale left, 6. Hold 3. Exhale right, 9. Inhale right, 6. Hold 3. Exhale left, 9. Inhale left, 6. Hold 3. Exhale right, 9. Beautiful. One more time. Inhale right, 6. Hold 3. Exhale left, 9. Inhale left, 6. Hold 6 now. And exhale right. Let go, let go, let go. Slowly coming into meditation. Keeping your spine straight. Amazing job. Slowly start to open your eyes. Now that we cultivated balance into our body, the energy is balanced, let's do this guided meditation breathwork practice to let go. So the first step is now think about that thing and name it that you are not letting go, that you're holding on to. So every inhale you're going to take in, you'll say holding. Think about what you're holding. And as you exhale, you'll say release. You release whatever you're holding. So inhale, you conceptualize what you're holding. And as you exhale, you let go of that thing you have been playing on a loop. So take your time, think about that. And then when you're ready, we'll slowly start the breathing exercises. We'll inhale for 6, hold for 3, and exhale for 9. And we'll do this as diaphragmatic breathing. So bring your right palm on your belly, left palm on your chest. Continue inhaling. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Slowly start to open your eyes. Amazing job, my friends. So I hope you got a little value from this video. So each time you remember this story about two monks and a woman, you'll realize that you are the younger monk in the story. And what are you carrying? Something that doesn't serve you. What can you let go today? I hope this video brought a little value into your life. If it did, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and send this video to a loved one who can also get the benefits of yoga, breathwork, and meditation in their life. We have prepared a powerful guided meditation for letting go and surrender to support your journey of conscious decision making. Along with it, we have included a beautifully designed decision making journal to help you track your weekly challenges. You can download them by using the link in the description below. If today's session was helpful for you, you can enroll in our complete breathwork course for conscious decision making. This step by step program is designed to help you build confidence and align your choices with who you truly are. You can join us through our Holistic Awakening membership, which gives you access not only to this course, but also to all our breathwork and meditation programs. Plus, you can download the School of Breath app to access all our courses, timed guided breathwork sessions, guided meditations, and calming sleep music all in one place. Don't delay your transformation. Click the link in the description to begin your path to empowered and conscious decision making. Until next time, my friends, thank you for tuning into the School of Breath. My name is Abhi Duggal. Namaste, peace, and love.